As an international student, my dream is to get a job in the country where I'm studying. It's a dream for many of us, studying abroad, traveling, and landing a job overseas. But is it as simple as it sounds? In this video, I'll share my experience attending the Life After Graduation workshop and the job fair organized by the University of Glasgow. For those of you who are current students, future students, or even considering studying at the University of Glasgow, this one's for you. So the University of Glasgow is committed to helping us succeed with excellent employability services, career coaching, and workshops. And one of these key events is the Life After Graduate, which aims to prepare students for the next step after they graduate. So a quick info for the event. So the event runs for 3 days and features some incredibly insightful speakers. And on the first day, I got there pretty early because the night before I had planned to work on my dissertation with a friend, so we booked a room at GMS for 9 a.m. Pretty early, I know, even though I'm not a morning person, but surprisingly I made it to the campus this early in the morning, and of course a hot chocolate to start a busy day. And I ended up having a pretty productive morning working on my dissertation, and I managed to get 1 page written, because remember, small progress is still progress. Then it was the time for the workshop. So first up, I attended an in-person session called Finding Opportunities Linked to Your Values, Interests, and Skills. And it lasted about an hour and a half, packed with helpful insights, and it really showed how understanding your skills, values, and interests can lead to more meaningful opportunities. And during the session, we did this cool interactive activity with skill set cards to figure out our strengths and weaknesses. And I learned that there are 4 types of skill sets, such as unrealized strengths, realized strengths, weaknesses, and learned behaviors. But if you're not sure what these are, don't worry, because I'll pop up the definitions of each skill set so you'll get a clearer idea about it. And understanding this is super important because it helps you learn more about yourself and can guide you toward the right career and avoiding any job mismatch. And moving on to the best part of this session, which is one of my favorite part of this workshop, I would say so, because in this activity we got these cards and papers to help figure it out our own skill set. And honestly, it was a bit tricky at first because I felt like I fit into all of the categories, but eventually I successfully narrowed it down and sorted myself into 4 personalities out of 7. Yeah, I know that sounds like a lot, but hey guys, I tried my best. And we also explored a website called Prospects. Maybe some of you ever heard about it, because it's an awesome resource to help you figure out the big question of what can I do with my degree, and it really helps reflect on and identify the skills linked to what you're studying. And after the session, I visited the careers pop-up on the ground floor, and here you can talk directly to the careers team for advice and ask questions about your future career plans. And I'm so happy because I discovered many marketing opportunities in Glasgow, plus an experience whether through internships, part-time jobs, or even organization. It can really help your CV stand out. Okay, so moving on to the next day, I went to the Scottish job fair. There were all sorts of companies there, and I had the chance to chat with recruiters and company reps about the job opportunities. For example, I came across this skincare company that I'm really into, and they've got some great job openings. And I also spoke with a few HR representatives and got some valuable insights on what kind of candidates they're looking for and how to apply for their job openings. And you can even request a video meeting with HR during the fair, which was super helpful. And it was a great chance to interact directly with the people who actually work at these companies and got more insights about it. And on the last day, I attended an online CVs and cover letters workshop from home, and it was really useful because I learned how to write a CV and cover letter that actually stand out and get noticed, and I understand the key things that make a good CV and cover letter. attending these events had been incredibly beneficial. They've provided me such as valuable insights, practical knowledge, also direction for my future careers. So if you are the students at the University of Glasgow, I highly recommend taking advantage of these opportunities because it's really helpful. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video gives you a glimpse of the amazing sources available at the University of Glasgow to help you plan your future career or your career path. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this university channel for more infos and updates. And thank you. See you next time. Bye.